Good evening, all of you. How are you doing? Everybody is good? Yes. All energy full? Everybody is very much energy? Very good. So, what are we talking today? Basic food safety. Why? Our company have three main policies. What are the policies? Three policies. Food safety policy, number 1. Number 2, health and safety policy. Number 3, environment policy. So that's the reason we are giving importance for the food safety, because our main business, what business? Catering business. Very good. Catering business. So when we are supplying per day minimum 50 to 70,000 meals we are supplying now per day. So in that case, how much importance we have to provide? Get you right? We have to give importance, right? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, sir. So, we will see afterward the theory of presentation. Half an hour. Then next 30 minutes you will see the main clip of video, which is very important. Hints only I am going to conduct the training. This training session will be 3 hours. Actually, 3 hours. Minimum 3 hours, maximum 5 hours we are conducting. Because we will do some group activities. We will do some group activities. We will split the group and we will give you some kind of activities like, what is contamination? Okay, what is hazard? Then what is so all we will do some group activities kind of training. That's called training. But you people are already working more than 12 hours duty, right? So in that case you will be very tired. I do understand. So we are trying to give only important topics. Okay, boys? Shall we go? Right. So is there any emergency? This is the exit. Will this the master point in front? Okay. Then for the safety rules, come. I believe everyone have training passports. All of you have training passport, right? Not? Please inform to Mr. Radhakrishnan to ask him to send the mail. Then we will provide training passport. If anybody doesn't have, this is your valid document. See, no training passport. Training passport is your main that way. Main important document. Main important document. If you or whatever you attended training, you attend the training. All the training will be entered in the training passport when you are used for your career. It is for your future career. So all the entrance we are doing, the company is giving seals with all the importance, and whatever the training has been done, it's entering and it's useful for you guys. Come. Basic safety rules, same. In safe or unsafe, report all injuries, unsafe contingency to supervisor immediately. Anything which is unsafe contingency equipments, don't operate. You people working in the kitchen, tower range, griller, mixing, grinder, or sometimes they are working in the chicken shawarma, right? So wherever you are working, please take care of your safety. If they are unsafe, please inform the supervisor. Immediately change the plug or wire cable problems or switch problems. Anything is there, please change it. Don't work with the lame one. Next, use proper PPE. See, I am emphasizing about PPE always. Please, friends, it's for your safety concerns I am talking about. I am talking about your safety concern. I'm talking about your future concern. If you use the PPE, it's safe for you. Otherwise, you will kill yourself. Come. Sit. Take a photo. See, boss. Exposed to cold rays. See, friends, you people are working in the kitchen, stores, and mess hall, right? Dining hall. So when you are working in the dining place, you should not wear the jewelry, rings, watches, not allowed while on duty, and loose clothing, not allowed. Eating, drinking, chewing gum, tobacco, not allowed. It's strictly prohibited. Please put off your mobile silence. Next, wash your hands before eating and after smoking and after the restroom. Use of mobile phone strictly prohibited. Please friends, it will be divert your mind. The concentration is not there in the work. The concentration will be converted. So please don't use your mobile while on duty. Don't look at the message. Because of just 5 minutes conversation with the wife, he lost the whole hand in Taisi. You know the FME platform? Do you know our company have new platform? There is the one barge. It's called DEMA. It's barge. Okay? It's supporting for FME platform. Okay, it's a pre-opening place. So in that place, one IC, our IC company, they are supplying the food. IC company, they are providing catering services for DEMA. Their POP 150 people. Last month it happened injury. You know, the injury happened last month. Take the mobile, put off. Put off your mobile, please. Again, please check your mobile. Put off your mobile again. It will be disturbance. Okay? You know what happened? So the people they are working in the kitchen. So they are making the gravy. The gravy, he was talking over the phone, and he is making a dal fry and chicken, some kind of chicken, South Indian chicken curry. Chicken, not some kind of curry. And he is frying, same person, he is frying other side French fries. Okay? See, he is working 2 hours at a time. That's what we already told you guys. At a time, you will be concentration only the job. If you do any job, concentrate. Don't concentrate two jobs. It will be a big issue. It will be big issue. It can, you know what happened? So when he is frying the French fries, then oil drop on his leg. And the gravy, it's the whole gravy, it's what do you call it? It's top, the whole one, it's dropped down. Then he fell down on the side, because of the slip and trip hazard. So the leg is gone like this. He was talking over the phone. He's talking over the phone, the left hand. He is doing what? Right hand side. He's mixing the gravy and he's frying the French fries. So he fell down on the side. So the whole hand collapsed. Now he's in in Amala. Because last month we admitted our staff, Al Jazeera, our staff. That time we found the people from IC. Because of that's what we are talking about, equipment handling. Safe work procedure. We are talking about safe work procedure. We are talking about PPE. We are talking about chemical safe hazard. Right? So everything we are giving training. After training, the people not following. I got pictures today. Our staff of picture. Imagine we already sent the lesson learned planning. Lesson learned planning to all offshore sector or onshore sector. What is the use? Friends, please take care of your safety concern. That's what we are emphasizing about phone. Apart from this, the company security, QP security, KP instructions, that's also one of the reasons. Okay guys, can we avoid? Yes or no?
Yes.
I need your response. Come. Personal hygiene at work. See, as long as you people are food handlers, before entering the kitchen, before entering the mess hall, wash your hands as per the proper hand washing method. Sanitize your hands before entering workplace. Wear cap full covering hair and ears, nearly groomed, well shaved. Wear aprons before you start at the work. Before you start at the work, whatever PPE you must wear. You must wear whatever the PPE. If there is no PPE, for example, sir, I don't have apron, sir. I don't have hairnet, sir. I don't have gloves, sir. I don't have shoes, sir. No. Nobody has it. If anything is there, please let me know. I will pass the message to top management. I will get all these things because uniform problem nothing. Same thing, PPE problem nothing. No worry at all. So it has been everything organized. Change the aprons, gloves frequently. Wherever the requirement, please change the aprons, change the gloves. Once you inside the toilet, urinals, bathroom, restroom. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is the method of hand washing. I told you already. Yesterday, day was study with, we have taken the training, right?
Yeah.
We already have. Next, model 1. You will understand what is food safety, food hygiene. You will understand what type of hazard. What type of hazard? What do you mean by hazard? And you can see the contamination, cross contamination. Food safety, food hygiene. Food safety meaning of measures. Do you know people? All people you know very well. Temperatures, right? Temperatures, cooking temperature, hot holding temperature, chiller temperature. 1 to 4 degrees centigrade. Hot holding temperature 63 degrees centigrade. Frozen temperature -18 degrees centigrade. All measurement. I saw there is a chiller in the mess hall and the contact mess, and it's I saw 2 chillers, right? So the chiller showing 5 degree. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes.
Right, no? Yes. Same, 8 degree centigrade, no problem. It's a till 8 degrees centigrade, no problem. 10 degrees centigrade, no problem. Because it is not, if it goes above 8, we should monitor. All measures, it's called food safety. Measures to control hazards. What type of hazards? What type of hazards? Like, if you're not cooking properly, there is a contamination. There is a hazard. If you're not making chiller, if you're not keeping the chiller proper, there will be contamination. There is a hazard. So all the hazards or the contamination will control by the measures. You will give right measure. You will give correct measure. That's called food safety and food hygiene. If you follow that right temperature, we can save the food from harm. Harm meaning it's disease. Any disease. Disease matlab bimar. Okay. So anything happen, any kind of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, anything happen, so we can control that. If you follow this temperature properly, we can avoid all the disease. How? During manufacturing, preparation, processing, storage, transportation, distribution, handling, and service to the customers. See, from farm to delivering to the customers. You are eating, right? So that's called, hasap tree. It is called hasap tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we have steps. So it's called hasap tree. Contamination. What is contamination? Contamination meaning is, if you serve very good biryani, we are getting very good biryani on Friday, right? The biryani, garam biryani ready. One cockroach by mistake, it's going, sometimes it's died already, it's dead already. That cockroach, will you eat or no? Why? It's contamination, right? Same, if you are drinking coffee, by mistake there is a mosquito or some flies, will you drink that coffee? Why? Because contamination. If you drink that coffee, what will happen? Diarrhea, vomiting, any food poison, anything, any case of food poison. Okay? So, anything objectionable to eat, is called contamination. It can create a hazard, any kind of hazard. Food safety, food hygiene, same as I told you, measures. All type of measures to control any hazard, to give 100% free from contamination. Free from contamination means no food poison. Free from contamination meaning no food poison at all. If you follow the system, if you follow the food safety management system, if you follow the correct temperature, you are preparing food morning 5 o'clock. 3 o'clock, early morning 3 o'clock. You are serving by 4:30 or 5 o'clock. Okay? Hot temperature, cooking temperature should be 75 above your cooking, right? After that food should be hot, right? Otherwise, it will take time, temperature, all it's coming down. Temperature is coming down. So when the temperature is coming down, it slowly get bacteria. It will attract. So because of the attacking, you will get food poisoning. If the bacteria attacking, then you will get food poisoning. What type of food poisoning we'll see later. Hazard. Race groups, safe foods. Hazard meaning hazard analysis critical control point. It is a food safety management system. This system is, food safety management system. Who brought up to the world? Who introduced? I told you 2-3 times. Joseph Stalin. Joseph, come out now. UK. Very good. Anybody else? USA. Very good. Come again?
NASA.
Yeah, it's introduced by US NASA. It's joining with the Pillsbury company. Pillsbury. You know Pillsbury? Pillsbury is one of the food organizations. So NASA combined together Pillsbury, they introduced to the world. Why? Because it's introduced by 1960. Okay, by Mr. Neil Armstrong. Okay, friends. Neil Armstrong. You know why? He's the first person gone to moon. Friends, it's all general knowledge. When you are now cook, tomorrow you become a chef. You should have some little more not theoretical knowledge. You could preparation very good food. Fantastic. Service no problem. No complaint. Very good taste. But you should have a bit deep knowledge. Okay guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please open your mind. Okay, what's the time? Okay. So you should know food safety management system. Please go through Google. You will get all the knowledge. Then hazard. What do you mean by hazard? Hazard means anything. Anything. Potential case harm. Anything. Any harm means they any kind of disease. Any kind of disease. Anything is protect from your body or from your food. It will create any kind of disease. It's called hazard. What type of hazard? 4 types of hazard. 4 types. Very good, very good. All the people are coming up from your mouth. Very good. Chemical, biological, physical, allergy. Very good. See, who are the people in this group? I will tell you later. I will show the pictures. And safe food. See, friends, we are supplying per day, no? At least exactly 67,000 million. Sorry, 67,000 meals yes per day. I'm sure. Before 50,000. Now it's increased because offshore locations increased now. So we are supplying 3 meals and sometimes 4 meals to offshore sector. So when we are supplying since which I noticed 2008 there was one incident. 2008 there was one incident, food poisoning in Chikri location. After that there is no incident at all, no food poisoning because we are providing safe food. Yes or no? Yes. Because can you say example? You are supplying per day 1,500 meals here, right? Or yes or no? Per day you are supplying at least on average 1,500 meals you are supplying. Contractor mess and senior mess. So in that case you think, so when you are supplying anything food poison, anybody, right? So that's what we are giving safe food to the customers. Why our country, in our country, Nepal, Bangladesh, roadside food is very tasty. Why? I am giving example. I am giving an example. Because of they are doing something when they are preparing, or because when there is some meat market or open meat market or open place, they are providing very good vegetables and raw meat and meat items. That's the reason. Or they are putting anything special ingredients? Any ingredients? Correct? Any special ingredients?
Yeah.
In your country? Because of that reason, maybe special.
Special.
Wallah, what special? Aywa. What special?
Maybe they preparing, they packing something.
Yes. Because something that has been potential case harm to the humans. 4 type of hazard: biological, chemical, physical, allergy. Biological. It is the bacteria. You cannot see because if you are touching hand, already it is in my hand already bacteria is there. My bacteria will be transferring from my hand to his hand. It's transferring. We cannot see bacteria. That's called microbiological. We should see from through microscope. Physical. Say example, fish bone. Fish bone. It is a physical. Fish bone. Screw. Glasses. glass piece, broken glass piece. It's all physical contamination. Or some people when they are doing pest control or any maintenance people, electrical, some people they are coming, they are repairing some electrical equipments, right? So that time they will physically they will put screw on the foot. That is the reason we ask you to put a clean wrap. Put a clean wrap. That's what I checked in Chile. The food already you put already clean wrap and you are making that date, expiry date, 2 days expiry. Good, you are doing very good practice. And monitored by our QHC Mr. Desman. And monitored by all the chef team, Mr. Sanjay, I can say Sanjay and Krishna. Good, you people doing good job. See, I saw the in the chiller, in the mess hall, juices and what do you call it? Laban, salt lassi, sweet lassi, everything is there with the label. You are wrapped up with the clean wrap. You wrap in clean wrap. So you are already it is on process. You are doing it very good. So that we can avoid physical contamination. Please do continue.